welcome back, Jamzter Sqauders. You already know the vibes. Yes, sir. If you're watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, and share. So as in the title of this video, if you're watching this right now, yes, you see it there. It has finally happened. Demon has finally come together. Not fully, but what I envisioned already, if I haven't said it enough. Bro, I can't. I'm looking at her. Sorry, him. Right now, bro. My son, oh my God, I can see it. And now I just have a few more things to go, but love it. I'm gonna show you the time lapse of everything. What was the process? I mean, to be honest, I had these parts almost since 2021, 2020, around COVID. So, yeah, bro, like now everything's finally painting it together. So here's Demon now.
А почему Cupid? Почему Cupid?
All right, so I know. Look at him, bro. Look at ooh. But I know there's imperfections. The car's not done yet. It was just long overdue that needed to be done. And bro, I couldn't be any more happier, bro. Like look at my son, bro. Look at him. Look at ooh. So like, what I have on the car is a complete Mugen kit, bro. Complete Mugen kit, and man, and I'm not even done, bro. Like I want to express my plans to you guys on what's really gonna happen next with him, but let's let it be a surprise. But this is Demon, and bro, man, I'm just in love. I want to take a big shout out to Chris Autologist, bro. Yo, that's the homie right there. He looked out so many times. Bro, I'm telling you, that's love. If you guys need any work, hear me out. Any work done to your car, dealing with body, anything at all, that's the man to do it. You see that? That's the man to do it. You see that? That's the man to do it. You feel me? So the car's supposed to get repainted over, though. That I can tell you guys that it's gonna get repainted. You know, on the quarter panel, which I know you guys pretty much saw that. I bought the car as is, as that way. But don't worry, it's gonna be a big revamp. You know, obviously everything is money, you know, so you can't, come on, nothing in life is free. But I gotta get those done, and then I'll be situated, and then last thing will be wheels and suspension. But just y'all take note of that. That's coming. It's coming slowly but surely. So here, you know, making sure he looks nice and handsome, right? But Jamzter Sqauders, love you guys. If you guys watching this video, once again, please go ahead and share, like, comment, everything. Get your boy out there. I haven't stopped. It's just life. But Jamzter Sqauders, we out. Deuces. Love you guys.